In Part 1, we uncovered the rise of the mysterious F-47 jet. In Part 2, we revealed its hidden weapons and the ghost of artificial intelligence in its cockpit. But what if I told you the real story isn't just about the jet? The truth lies in secret budgets, hidden projects, and a shadow war being fought in silence. This is Part 3 of the F-47 investigation. Stay with us until the end and subscribe, because what comes next will change everything you thought you knew about power and control.
Black budgets, money that disappears. The U.S. Department of Defense operates with billions of dollars hidden in black budgets. These funds are invisible to the public, not discussed in Congress openly, and often vanish without a trace. Suspense. Some experts claim the F-47 was never truly paid for in the open. It was built in the shadows with money no one can fully track. Connection to history. Stealth aircraft like the F-117 Nighthawk were once denied until suddenly revealed. The same pattern is repeating.
Phantom Works and the hidden factories. Boeing's Phantom Works and other secret facilities rumored to house experimental projects. Test flights happen in restricted airspace, like Nevada's Groom Lake, Area 51. For years, locals have seen strange shapes in the night sky. Some dismiss them as UFOs, but insiders say these were prototypes of the next generation, including the F-47.
Shadow rivalries. The U.S. is not alone. China and Russia are both believed to be building parallel black projects. China's rumored dark shore drone and Russia's experimental stealth fighters are mentioned. This isn't just about one jet. It's about a silent arms race, a game of shadows where no country wants to reveal its true hand.
The power behind the curtain. Who really controls these projects? Defense contractors, lobbyists, and private companies. The F-47 may wear the stars and stripes, but its true masters could be corporations that thrive in the shadows, profiting from wars that haven't even begun. A reference to the military-industrial complex, a warning given decades ago by President Eisenhower.
Future of global power. The rise of AI-driven weapons may mean nations no longer control the wars. Algorithms do. If the F-47 is just the beginning, the wars of the future might be fought not by countries, but by machines making decisions faster than human leaders. This could destabilize global power, making mistakes and accidents far more likely.
The unanswered questions. How many F-47s exist right now? Who decides when they're used? What else is being developed in these secret programs that the public hasn't seen yet? Every answer only leads to more questions, and the truth is buried deeper than we think.
This was Part 3 of the F-47 story. The black budgets, the hidden factories, and the shadowy fight for global dominance. But the most dangerous secrets are still out there. In Part 4, we'll expose the future of secret alliances, the possibility of autonomous wars, and how the balance of world power may already be shifting without anyone noticing. Subscribe now and write Part 4 in the comments if you want us to reveal the next chapter of the story.